It's going to save you from a lot of stress. Can you see this? I don't have patience for and you're done within 30 minutes. You're done. You are here because you want an easy technique, obviously. Because me, I don't mind. I'm going to be very transparent with you guys in this video. Choose your own better. This is my own better. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if it's not, thank you for tuning in back. As you all can see, I'm sure it's so clear on my face, I look like a mess. Like, bro, I just came back from work and I'm filming this past 7. This is like to 8 already, and I have to film because, you know, I said we're going to go harder this year. I'm working on being consistent no matter how crazy NYC is getting to me. Like, sure, my day was so busy. I just came back past 6. I left my house since to 7, like basically 6:30 in the morning, and I'm coming back past 6 in the evening, and I'm so stressed. Today was really hectic. Today's video is an interesting one. Not really interesting, let me be honest, but if you want to learn, if you're a beauty related person and you really want to learn something new that's going to save you your hours of stress, that is going to save you from a lot of stress, then keep watching. This is for you. And if you're not, please just share to someone that I know might need this. From this height to obviously you should know what this video is about. So I'll be showing you guys how to wash your brushes, your beauty sponges, your beauty brushes, using your washing machine if you have one. If you want to learn how to wash your brushes and your sponges using the washing machine, the pros and the cons to using the washing machine for your brushes and sponges, then please stay tuned, trust me. So I'm about to start, but before I start, I'm going to show you guys my brushes so you know how effective they are. See this? Can see this? You can see the roots. See this? Okay, see this? Other things I'm washing. So that's why this is all me, because I pick them at random. I just pick them anyhow because it's a lot, so I just use it as I please. So I just kept them because I was going to wash it. Excuse me, this, my money cannot go to it, so at least you guys can see that it's stained and all that. So I'll come back to show you guys. So there are 2 ways of washing it. Me, my own way, let me not lie, you guys will see my way. I don't have patience for the second one, but I'm back. So there are 2 ways of washing this. Yeah, first, the first one is not my style, and the first is for you to get like now for your small throw pillow like mine, you can just remove the cover clothes, or if you have any zipping item, probably maybe the brush set came with its own bag, maybe a leather bag or whatever bag. This is new because I don't use this method. Oh, this one has a zip, so preferably get this is it. It has a zip. So what you are going to do here is stock this thing up. It's also dirty. This, as you can see, it's so prominent to see. It's actually also dirty. So I'll be showing you guys when it's done. It's going to be fuller. So you just put all of these things into this bag. I would advise you to use a liquid soap. Why? Because liquid soap is better, and it's just better. And yeah, so you stock everything up. Just add your little soap on, or that, zip it. You can just tie it if you want. Put it in the washing machine. You spin for as long as you want it, and then voila. So let's talk about my own, the one I would do. I'll show you guys my own because I've told you how you guys are going to do this. But before I go into the video, these are my brushes. I'm going to throw them into the washing machine, put my liquid soap, then I'll add my disinfectant. I always try to disinfect my brushes and sponges, probably half cup of Dettol or a cup of Dettol, or rather any antiseptic you have, that would be good. So I don't know, I just like it, something I always do. Even when I used to wash my brush with my hand, I always try to put Dettol in. The difference with the first step I said was I don't put mine into a sack, or because I don't see the need. whatever is going to happen to the brush is still going to happen. And even some people might be concerned that it might stay in the washing machine. It's makeup, it washes up. I've been using this technique for, I'm sure, more than 2 years. Do you get? So I'll put them in the washing machine. When it soaks for a bit, I spin maybe for like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, because I really want my brushes to be clean. So that's why I can do my creative makeup, all these weird kind of, makeups. Even if you're following my page, you know the kind of makeups I do. So when I use paint and all that, I'm never bothered, because I never come off with just a wash. So I don't bother about cleaning it. So when I'm done, I drain my water and I put it in the dryer. Yeah. You all, I'm crazy. So I put it in the dryer to spin for, I think my dryer spins for, is it a minute? No, is it 5 minutes or a minute? You guys are going to see. So the dryer of the washing machine, my own is a separate. So this, I think they call it manual. I don't know, I think it's manual. You just have to arrange it very well. So it's going to spin and it's going to be dry. I'm not capping, it's going to be dry afterwards, and that is it. So let me talk about the pros and the cons. Obviously, pros is going to make your work easy. You can get off makeup, because even you spend hours washing a makeup brush, doesn't mean the foundation or whatsoever that the brush has carried, it's not like it's going to wash it off. You don't have to be thinking about how frustrating it's going to be for you to wash your brush. You sit down and start washing them one by one, guys. So it saves your time, it saves you from the stress, because you just put it, you do your other activities, you go and check it, you do your other activity, and you're done. Within 30 minutes you're done. So it cleanses your brushes way better, very fast and better. I think those are the pros. You are here because you want an easy technique, obviously. Because me, I don't mind. Do you get? Because I'm this kind of person that I've been using my brushes for, I think, 3 years now, and I haven't changed my brush set. Like, probably I'm buying a new brush and adding, but the fact that my brush set, I can't use it again because of a reason. I haven't had any reason of that, because my brushes are always clean. They're always like clean as new, so I don't have any issue. One of the con is, yeah, let me show you guys the con. One of the cons, the glue. I'm going to be very transparent with you guys in this video. The glue, because you are washing it off your machine, I know it's like washing with more, would I say, aggression or rigidity. Water is obviously going to weaken the glue, and eventually it's going to, but why I don't have an issue with this, I'm just a very lazy person. If I want to get this fixed, you just want to buy glue and glue it back. That's all. My brush is back. This is like the best makeup foundation brush I've ever had. So that is all. This is all. I put glue. My brush is back to normal, because this is how they produced it. They put glue too. So for me, this is not a con, but it can be a con for you guys, and I work perfectly with it. And yeah, the other one is that depending on the quality of your brush, the body part is going to do you get? God of mercy, I think the light is oh, okay, can you guys see? This is supposed to be entirely pink. This is how it's supposed to be. It's entirely supposed to be this shade pink, but because it is weak, because of the spinning, and it's not that, probably, I don't know, the paint is not all that strong, it's coming off, because it only happened with this brush set, this particular brush set, this brand. I see. So now it's just the wood that is showing. So if you are not concerned about it, because, excuse me, so long my brush is functional, I could care less. Will I eat the wood? No. Will the wood make my work finer? No. So if you don't really care about that, then you're good to go. Okay, now like this, my real technique, nothing has ever happened to any of my real technique brushes, and even this black brush, you can see. But I'll show you guys all my real technique brushes. I'll show you guys one by one. See my real technique brush. My real technique brush. Flawless. Also feel it's depending on your brush type, because most of my brushes the bristles don't fall off. I don't really have issues with my bristles falling out, so that's why I don't care. But if you're using a good brush, as I said, I've been using these brushes over the 3 years. Yes, because I remember when I got them. I've been using these brushes since then, and you can see my bristles not falling off, and they've been good, very good. So my bristles don't fall off, but that can be the con for some people. So you all done washing the brushes. I'm sure you can see they are really clear, like they are white. I kept like 3 pieces so I can show you guys the difference, so you guys will know they're not light. Can you guys see? Okay, let me just move back. Can you guys see the difference? Can you see the colors, or can you see this? Like, do you see the difference? Okay, so my mascara ones, they are as clean as any. Like, first time of me washing my mascara ones, and they are as clean, they are neat. Like, do you see this? The brushes, do you remember this white one I showed you that was black, a bit brown? Okay, let me show you guys instead. See how clean my brushes are looking? Like, bro, none is dirty. See how clean my brushes are. So just because I want to prove to you guys that it works really well, like real good. This is a white tea, right? So you see these brushes, I'm just going to it's spotless because there is nothing on it to stain it. Like, bro, this shit is clean. It's clean, like it's clean. So you all, I would totally recommend you try this. Tell me how it works for you whenever you decide to take a big step of faith and do it, because this is a life changer for me. This is a game changer for me because I have been using this for a couple of years and it's been good. It's been working fine for me. Just this, I already told you guys the cons. So if you feel it pays you more, then why not do it? But if you feel I'm not ready to let any damage come to my brushes, like, your brush is still functionable. So people are concerned about the beauty of the brush. Well, if you get a good brand, if you have a good brand, nothing is gonna happen to it. But some brands like this, it's actually a very good brand, but probably the way the body was made. But that's it, yes, because you cannot compare it to using your hand to wash it. Please, for me, though it might be better for you, but different strokes for different folks. So, well, choose your own better. This is my own better because I cannot. That one is tough. I just had to share with you guys what I do to keep my brushes clean and what I've been doing for the couple of years. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was so stressful. Like, I'm emphasizing this, so stressful, because since I came back past 6, this is already past 10, because I had to do couple of things while filming it. So I've not really, and moving my equipment there to film was stressful. Trying to capture the angles, it was stressful for this kind of video. I did not think about the stress, so it was really stressful. But I really hope it helped someone. Please, if it did, and if you think you're going to try it, let me know in the comment section. Then you can let me know any other video you would want me to film next. And okay guys, so see you next time. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly like this video, share to friends and family. Don't forget to watch my ads. Love you all. Bye. See you next time.